In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to successfully navigate your online purchases with Shopee, particularly focusing on how to utilize PayPal as your payment method. If you're someone who frequently shops online, you'll understand the importance of having a seamless and secure checkout process. By the end of this guide, you'll find yourself well equipped to handle your transactions confidently. All right, let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to the Shopee website. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all the features you need. Once you're on the main page, take a moment to browse through the diverse range of products available. Whether you're looking for electronics, fashion, or groceries, Shopee has got you covered. Ensure you're comfortable navigating the site, as this will enhance your shopping experience. When you found the items you want to purchase, add them to your shopping cart. This is straightforward, just as you would do on any other online shopping platform. Once you're satisfied with your selections, it's time to proceed to the checkout page. Now, this is where many people pause, ensuring that their payment method is both secure and convenient. At the checkout page, you'll notice a section dedicated to payment methods. Here's where you need to pay close attention. Under the payment method options, you'll want to select credit debit card. It's crucial because this is how you'll route your payment through PayPal. If you've never used this method before on Shopee, worry not. It's incredibly intuitive. After selecting the payment method, you'll be prompted to input your PayPal details. Ensure that the PayPal account you're using is active and has the necessary funds, or is linked to a bank account or card that can cover your purchases. Enter your email and password associated with your PayPal account. If you're using PayPal for the first time on Shopee, you might be required to authorize this payment method, so keep an eye on any notifications or prompts from PayPal in your email or app. Once your PayPal details are correctly entered, you can finalize the transaction. Shopee ensures that your details remain secure, so there's no need to worry about the safety of your personal information. Upon successful payment, you'll receive a confirmation email from both Shopee and PayPal. It's a good practice to double-check these emails to ensure all details are correct. And there you have it. You've successfully completed your purchase on Shopee using PayPal. Remember, this method not only offers convenience, but also adds an extra layer of security to your transactions. I hope this step-by-step guide has made the process clearer and more accessible for you. Enjoy your shopping and feel free to refer back to this guide the next time you need a refresher. Thank you for tuning in and happy shopping.